Good morning, students. Now we shall continue with the integration. Now, now we shall study the integration by parts. Look at here. This is integration by parts. It is something similar to the derivative of the product rule, but the formula is entirely different. So, suppose if you want to find the integral of the product of two functions, say x into sin x dx, then we use integration by parts to find the integral of this function x into sin x. Remember it, okay? That is, to find the integral of the product of the two functions, we use the method that is integration by parts. There is a formula to find the integral of the product of two functions that we shall study now. We all know that the derivative of the product of two functions, derivative of u into v, that is derivative of first into second is first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. That is u andre first into dv by dx na derivative of second plus second andre v into derivative of first is du by dx. Now look at here. So this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Integrating both the sides with respect to x. So that is integral of the left hand side equals integral of these two. Now look at here. We all know that, remember it, okay? So integral of the derivative of some f of x, okay, is same as f of x, okay? Integral of derivative of f of x is same as f of x. So in this way, so the integral of derivative of u into v dx is u into v, that is equal to integral of u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx of dx, okay? Now look at here, if you want this term, e term bekadre, we transfer this term to the left side. This plus will become minus, isn't it? So that means u into v plus minus integral of v into du by dx into dx. Let us call this as equation number 1. Now look at here. Now let us consider u equals f of x. u ಗೆ f of x ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, dv by dx ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, derivative of the second function g of x ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, so u equals f of x ಆದರೆ derivative of u du by dx will be f of x ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು f dash x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is denote f dash x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ du by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು. Now consider the dv by dx, second one. Then integrating both sides with respect to x, what we get here? Integral of dv by dx of dx equals integral of g of x dx. Now look at it, integral of derivative and they get cancels, we get only v. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಇದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. Now look at here, what happens to the equation 1 now? Integral of u ಅಂದ್ರೇನು f of x, dv by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ g of x. So integral of f of x into g of x dx equals f of x. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ look at here, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ integral of g of x. Remember it, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, okay? Here we see that u is nothing but f of x, okay, and v dv by dx, yeah, this is nothing but g of x, okay? So this clearly implies v will be equal to integral of g of x dx. So u equals f of x, this clearly implies du by dx ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, du by dx will be equal to f dash of x. Now look at here, if you substitute everything in the equation, look at here, integral of u into dv by dx, u ಅಂದ್ರೇನು f of x, so f of x into dv by dx then g of x, integral of f of x into g of x dx equals u into v, u ಅಂದ್ರೇನು f of x into v. v ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ g of x ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ v. v ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ g of x into du by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ derivative of f of x. So this is the final answer. Integral of f of x into g of x dx is f of x into integral of second minus integral of second into derivative of first. So or you can also remember this as this is an important one. Okay, integral of first function into second function dx is ಇದು ನಾವು ಪೆಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, very important one. That is first into integral of second, first ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು into integral of second minus ಇದು integral symbol into ಈ second function integral ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ this is copy and paste here. That is minus integral of second into derivative of the first function. This is the formula. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first function second function ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ it should be in the order of LIATE or ILATE. L ಅಂದ್ರೆ logarithmic, inverse, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential or inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. So this is the order here. L ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. L ಅಂದ್ರೆ log function. Okay, I means it is for inverse function. A means algebraic, x ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. T means trigonometric. E means exponential functions. So this is the order. For example, look at here. You have an integral of say x into sin x is given. Here x is nothing but algebraic. Sin x is nothing but this is trigonometric. So here in this order a first, t next. Adrinda x is considered as first, sin x is considered as second. Remember it. Okay. Suppose if you have like this integral of x into sin inverse x dx. Here ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is wrong. This is wrong here. Remember in this order I first ಬರಬೇಕು, algebraic next ಬರಬೇಕು. So sin inverse x first, x is second. Then you apply this formula. First into integral of second minus integral of ಇದು copy and paste into derivative of first. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? This is we do here. Here we copy and paste inside the integral sign and we multiply it by the derivative of first function. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Suppose if you have integral of x into log x dx. Here you must consider log x as first and x as second. ನೀವು x first log x second ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ that is wrong. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ L first ನೋಡಿ, LIATE, L first, A next. So this is LIATE. So you can remember this as life is always to enjoy. That is life is always to enjoy or is life always to enjoy. So LIATE ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ easy method ಅದು. Okay, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಈಗ simple problems are there. Look at it. Evaluate the following integrals. Okay, integral of x into cos x dx. Look at here. X is an algebraic function. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. This is first function, cos x is second function. This is first, this is second. ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು first, second. So first into integral of second. What is the integral of cos x? It actually ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. X into integral of cos x dx minus integral of cos x dx into derivative of first function ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು x dx. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ we can directly write this one. Integral of cos x is nothing but sin x. Cos x in integral ಏನಿದೆ sin x. So here look at here x into integral of cos x is sin x minus integral ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sin x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin x ಬರೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇಂಟು ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ x dx ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು x sin x minus integral of sin x into 1 derivative of x is 1. So now finally x sin x minus ಹೀಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. What is the integration of sin x? It is minus cos x. So minus into minus plus x sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay, this is a simple problem. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, but you have to remember the formula. That's very important. Second one homework ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The simple problem you can solve. So look at it. In this case you take x as first function, sin x as second function. First into sin x in a integral cos x alla minus cos x. Remember it. So you have to remember the formula. That's a very important one. Integral of sin x dx will be equal to minus cos x plus c, whereas integral of cos x dx will be equal to sin x plus c. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Now look at the third problem. In this problem we consider again x as first function, the entire sin 3x as second function. Look at here. So first x into what is the integration of sin 3x andre it is sin x ಗೆ minus cos x. Sin 3x is minus cos 3x divided by x coefficient. What is the coefficient of x? 3. Okay, minus integral ಇದನ್ನ copy and paste same ಬರಿಬೇಕು into derivative of first function is x, derivative of x ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ x into minus cos 3x by 3. So this minus into minus, that is plus 3 is taken out, 1 by 3 into integral of cos 3x into derivative of x andre 1 anta. So again this is minus is taken out, minus x cos 3x by 3 plus 1 by 3 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ cos 3x ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ 1 by 3. Okay, okay, plus 1 by 3 into cos 3x ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ನೋಡಿ sin 3x divided by 3. So it is 1 by 9 into idile x illa. Okay, 1 by 9 into sin 3x. That is the right answer. Now particularly first into integral of second minus integral of idine illi barkoli into derivative of first x ಗೆ 1. So ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ plus 1 by 3 is taken out constant, minus into minus plus cos 3x is remaining, ಅದರ integral sin 3x by 3 1 by 3 ಹೀಗೆ. Okay, now it is a very simple one line answer ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x into e power x. X is considered as first function, e power x is considered as second function. Now look at first x into integral of e power x is e power x minus ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ copy and paste into derivative of x is 1. So second one is integral of e power x is nothing but e power x ಅಷ್ಟೇ plus c. Okay, now look at the third problem. Integral of x square into e power x. Look at here, LIATE prakara we see that x square is considered as first function, e power x is considered as second function, because if you see that LIA T E first, A first, this is second. So first into integral of second minus copy and paste into derivative of x square andre 2x. So ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 2 is a constant taken out into bracket. Very very important is this, putting this, writing the bracket after 2 is important. 2 become taking this constant outside, you have to write this bracket, very important. ಯಾಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಗೆ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. If you look at here, x square e power x minus 2 into here, x is considered as first function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇದು ಆದ್ರೆ x is considered as first function, e power x is considered as second function. So minus ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇದು x square ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು x square. Okay, ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So again x into e power x minus integral of, the copy and paste into derivative of x is 1. So minus 2 into x into e power x minus integral of e power x is e power x plus c. Okay. Now look at it, integral of log x into dx. Now this is a special problem where suppose most of the students write integral of log x dx will be equal to 1 by x. This is completely wrong. This is because the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Integral of log x is not equal to 1 by x. So look at it, how to integrate the log x here. To integrate the log x, we must consider this as integral of log x into 1. Log x is written as log x into 1 dx. So we consider LIATE prakara, L is considered as first function, 1 andre it is algebraic one. Okay, this is considered as second function. So log x is considered as first function, 1 is considered as second function. Okay, so first log x into integral of 1 andre x, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Integral of 1 dx is nothing but x plus c. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? So minus integral of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ into derivative of log x. Remember, now integration ಅಲ್ಲ, derivative of log x is 1 by x dx plus some c ಅಥವಾ c1 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. here x ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. integral of 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? We know that integral of 1 is x, so we write it as minus x plus c. ಇಲ್ಲಿ c1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು c1 plus c2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, c ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Integral of x into log x. If we look at LIATE, so here x is an algebraic first logarithmic, sorry, L first ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, logarithmic first function, algebraic second function. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು. look at here, logarithmic first function, a second function. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x first ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ first ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will lose all marks. This is the first function, this x is considered as second function, always remember it. Okay, so formula is first ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ into integral of x. We all know that integral of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So integral of x power 1 is nothing but x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So it is x square by 2 minus, ಇಲ್ಲಿ copy and paste here, into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 is taken out, 1x cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x cancel here. So that is minus 1 by 2 into x ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So you write here this plus some c1 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Integral of x is again x square by 2 plus c. Now look at it. Integral of x into log 2x. Always we know that log 2x is considered as first function, logarithmic x is considered as second function. So first log 2x into integral of x ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ x square by 2 minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ copy and will paste here into log 2x. What is the derivative of log 2x? Derivative of log 2x ಹೇಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. 2x is considered as u. Log u derivative is 1 by u into derivative of u. Derivative of 2x is nothing but 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you will get 1 by x. So that is 1 by 2x, 2x derivative 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 get cancelled here. And 1x get cancelled. X cancel ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? This 2 is taken out, that is minus 1 by 2. x ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Integral of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square by 2 plus c. So very similar problem in homework ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is considered as first function, this is considered as second function. X square, what is the integral of x square dx? We all know that it is x cubed by 3 plus some c. Now integral of x into secant square x dx. If you take LIATE, algebraic function is considered as first function, trigonometric is considered as second function. So x is considered as first, secant square is considered as second. So first x into integral of secant square x is tan x minus integral of copy and paste tan x into derivative of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 dx. So plus some c1 add ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಈಗ x into tan x minus integral of tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ log of mod secant x ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದು. Integral of tan x dx is a formula here. Log of mod secant x plus c. So this is the answer. Integral of x into again this logarithmic functions ಅಲ್ವಾ, logarithmic function ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, x ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ algebraic second. So first ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this is the first function into x integral is x square by 2 minus copy and paste here log x square. Look at here, derivative of log x whole square. So this is considered as u. So what is the derivative of u square? Derivative of u square is 2u into derivative of u. u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ? log x. Here we considered u as log x. So it is 2 log x into derivative of log x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by x. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 log x into 1 by x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 x ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು x into log x ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಅಗೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು. All these thing is multiplied by minus. Here again log x is considered as first, x is considered as second. Again integration by parts. Log x into x ಗೆ x square by 2 minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ copy and paste log x ಗೆ integral 1 by x. 1 of x get cancel here. 2 is taken out, 1 by 2. x ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Integral of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus c1 ಹಾಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಗೆ c1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಎರಡನೇ ಸಲ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ c2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. c1 plus c2 ಸೇರಿ c ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ is x square by 2, ಬಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, you can take this as 11.1. Integral of x square plus 1 into log x. You consider log x as first function, it is 2, and the entire x square plus 1 as second function. First into x square plus 1 integral x square ಗೆ x cube by 3 plus 1 integral is x minus it is 2 copy and paste into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now look at here, multiply this 1 by x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x cube by 3 into 1 by x plus x into 1 by x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಈ 1 by x ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು look at here minus ಇದು as it is minus, okay, minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square by 3 integral ಗೆ 3 is taken out, 1 by 3 into x square ಗೆ x cube by 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 1. what is the integral of 1? integral of 1 is x. ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. integral of 1 ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ x ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು plus c1 plus c2. ಈ c1 plus c2 ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು c ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, plus x ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. x ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, integral of 1 is x. ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು if you multiply it by minus into plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus, you can take this as minus x. so this is, you can write it as minus x plus c. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. first into integral of second minus copy and paste into derivative of first, multiply this, you will get x square by 3 integral ಗೆ 3 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x square ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. x square ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x cube by 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus into plus minus integral of 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus c1 plus c2. ಈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು c1 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, c1 plus c2 ಗೆ c ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. this is also an important one. integral of tan inverse x dx. now look at here. now integral of, we know the derivative of tan inverse x. what is the derivative of tan inverse x? it is 1 by 1 plus x square. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 1 plus x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 0 mark. remember it, it's an inverse function. now look at it. integral of log x ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, integral of log x ಗೆ log x into 1 dx ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ integral of tan inverse x ಗೆ integral of tan inverse x into 1. so ILATE ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. so we see that tan inverse x is first function, 1 is considered as second function. so first ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, into integral of 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ copy and paste into derivative of tan inverse x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 1 plus x square. so x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಇದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 plus c1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆದಾಗ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು look at here, this is the something like this, integral of x divided by 1 plus x square dx. ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. what is the derivative of 1 plus x square? we know that the derivative of 1 plus x square is nothing but 1 ಗೆ 0, x square ಗೆ 2x. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ. so I multiply by 2 and I divide by 2. so it is minus 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square plus c1. now look at here, derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. in such a case the integral is log of denominator, ಅಂದ್ರೆ log of mod 1 plus x square plus ಈಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ c2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, c1 plus c2 ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇರಿ c ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ x ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ c1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎರಡನೇ ಸಲ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ c2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, c1 plus c2 will become c. ಸೊ ಇದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ನ if you have some function f of x, the derivative numerator f dash x ಇದ್ರೆ this is nothing but log of modulus of f of x. so x into tan inverse x. now look at here as ILATE, tan inverse x is always first function, x is always second function. so first function ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this is ಯಾವುದು, ಇದು first function, this is second function. first into x integral is x square by 2, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. tan inverse x ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ is 1 by 1 plus x square dx plus c1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ c1 ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 by 2 into x square by 1 plus x square. ಈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ look at here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I add 1 subtract 1, ಬರೀ x square ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus x square ಇದೆ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಸಿ ದಟ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ add 1, subtract 1, divide each term by this denominator. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಇನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಇನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ x ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 1 plus x square ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ, ಅದರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಈಸ್ tan inverse x. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. That is the final answer. C1 plus C2 will give rise to C. Now, integral of x into sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. So this is a special kind of problem. Okay, we make use of substitution method here. So what is the substitution method here? We know that derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. So we take sin inverse x equals t, inverse ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ x equals sin t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x equals sin t. If we differentiate sin inverse x equals t with respect to x, derivative of sin inverse x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root 1 minus x square dx equals t derivative is dt. So if we substitute everything here, ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what we get here? Look at here. This is the integral of x into sin inverse x, okay, divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dx ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, dx divided by root of 1 minus x square ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is entire thing will give rise to dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin inverse x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, the sin inverse x will become t. So this x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, look at here, x will become sin t. So what we see here? So look at it, this becomes integral of t into sin t dt. So now again we integrate by parts. This is the first function, this is the second function. First into integral of sin t ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus cos t minus integral of, here copy and paste, into derivative of t ಇಲ್ಲಿ with respect to t, that is 1 dt plus c1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Integral of cos t ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin t. ಈ integral of cos t ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ c2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Totally minus t cos t plus sin t plus c. Next t ಎಲ್ಲ x ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ look at here, x equals sin t ಅಂತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, with t ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, sin inverse x. ಈಗ we all know that cos square x is always 1 minus sin square x alva, or we can say cos x is root of 1 minus sin square x alva. If we write cos x, that is nothing but root of 1 minus, we know that sin x is nothing but, so look at it, x equals to sin t. So okay, cos square, in a similar way cos x is root of 1 minus sin square x alva, ಅದೇ ತರ cos t ಅಂದ್ರೆ root of 1 minus sin square t alva. So that is nothing but root of 1 minus x square, because sin t is nothing but what, we know that sin t is x. So that is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ, look at here, minus t into cos t na root of 1 minus sin square t plus sin t plus c minus root of 1 minus sin t ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square into t ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin inverse x. Look at here, this is t is nothing but what, sin square x, sin inverse x plus sin t ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, so substituting here we will get this the answer. Very similar way you solve this as a homework here. X into, look at this problem here, x into sin inverse x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, let us take, this is sin inverse x ಬೇಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, x into, you take this as cos inverse x by root of 1 minus x square, that is integral of x into cos inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, you take cos inverse x equals t, so x will be equal to cos t. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ cos inverse x derivative is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx will be dt. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ dx divided by root of 1 minus x square will be equal to minus dt. So ಅವಾಗ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಟಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, dt. After this minus you must put one bracket, that's a very important one. Okay, so you integration by parts ಅನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, the important one. Formula is very important. You can very easily solve all the problems, but you must know the formula. That's a very important one. Okay, thank you students.